Here we are asked to solve 2x minus 1 times x plus 5 is equal to 40. Now it's very tempting to say, well, then 2x minus 1 is equal to 40, or x plus 5 is equal to 40. But that would be incorrect. We cannot do that. We can only do something like that if we have a times b is equal to 0. So if we had 2x minus 1 times x plus 5 equals 0, then we could say, well, then 2x minus 1 equals 0, or x plus 5 equals 0. We don't have that. We have something, a product equal to 40. So instead what we have to do is get this equation to a point where it's equal to 0 first, and then a factor. So the first thing I'm going to do is simplify the left-hand side. Let's apply that FOIL idea. And so then that would give us 2x squared plus 9x minus 5 is equal to 40. Now I will subtract 40 from both sides of the equation, yielding 2x squared plus 9x minus 45 is equal to 0. Now I need to factor the polynomial. I'll do a little side work for this one. Let's see. I'm going to apply that AC method. So let's see. AC would be 2 by negative 45. That's negative 90. So I need to find a pair of numbers multiplying to negative 90 and adding to 9. Let's see. I've got 1 and negative 90. 2 and negative 45, 3 and negative 30, 4 won't work, 5 and, let's see, 5 times, what is that, 16? No, 5 times 18. 5 times negative 18, that won't work. How about 6? 6 and 15. 6 times negative 15, that would give me a negative 9. So switch the signs. Negative 6 and positive 15. That would give me a positive 9 through addition. Alright, so then I have 2x squared minus 6x plus 15x minus 45, and now I factor by grouping. That's 2x by x minus 3 plus 15 by x minus 3. So this factors completely as x minus 3 by 2x plus 15. Alright, so let's bring that over. Now that we have the factored form as x minus 3 by 2x plus 15, which is equal to 0, then we can set each factor equal to 0. So then x minus 3 is equal to 0, or 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. On the first equation, we would just add 3 to both sides, and x would then equal 3. On the second equation, let's subtract 15 from both sides. So 2x is negative 15, and then divide by 2. And so x is negative 15 halves. So there are two solutions to the equation. X equals 3, and x equals negative 15 halves.